पहली फुल फॉर्म है हमारी एसी। एसी मीन्स अल्टरनेट करंट, अशोक चक्र भी हो सकती है, एयर कंडीशनर भी, एंड अंटार्कटिक क्लब। नेक्स्ट है एडीबी। एडीबी मीन्स एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक। नेक्स्ट एईआरई, दैट इज एटॉमिक एनर्जी रिसर्च एस्टेब्लिशमेंट। नेक्स्ट इज द एजीएफ, एशियन गेम्स फेडरेशन। नेक्स्ट इज द एड्स, एक्वायर्ड इम्यून डेफिशिएंसी सिंड्रोम। नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास एम्स, ऑल इंडिया इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मेडिकल साइंसेज। नेक्स्ट इज द एयर, ऑल इंडिया रेडियो। द नेक्स्ट इज द AIMPLB, that is the All India Muslim Personal Law Board. Next is the AM, that is the Anti-Meridian. The next is the AIFF, that is the All India Football Federation. The next is the ASLV, that is the Augmented Satellite Launch Vehicle. Next ASI, that is the Archaeological Survey of India. Next is the ATF, that is the Aviation Turbine Fuel. नेक्स्ट ATS, एंटी टेटनस सीरम। नेक्स्ट है BAMS, बेम्स, बैचलर ऑफ आयुर्वेदिक मेडिसिन एंड सर्जरी। नेक्स्ट इज दी VARC बार्क, भाभा एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर। नेक्स्ट इज द BBC, दैट इज द ब्रिटिश ब्रॉडकास्टिंग कॉरपोरेशन। नेक्स्ट इज द BC, दैट इज द बिफोर क्रेस। नेक्स्ट इज द BCG, दैट इज द बैसिलस कालमाइट ग्यूरिन। The next is the BCCI, that is the Board of Control for Cricket in India. Next full form हमारे पास B Pharma, that is the Bachelor of Pharmacy. Next BSF, that is the Border Security Force. The next is the CAG, that is the Controller and Auditor General. Next is the CAIR, that is the Central of Artificial Intelligence and Robotics. Next is the CAT, that is the Control for Advanced Technology. Next CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation. Next CBSE, Central Board of Secondary Education. Next CDRI, Central Drug Research Institute. The next is the CID, that is the Criminal Investigation Department. Next CNG, Compressed Natural Gas. Up next is the CPCB, that is the Central Pollution Control Board. The next is the CPCRI, that is the Central Plantation Crop Research Institute. The next is the CPO, that is the Central Passport Organization. Up next is the CSIR, that is the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. The next is the DDT, that is the dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane. The next is the DIG, that is the Deputy Inspector General. The next is the DM, that is the District Magistrate. The next is the DNA, deoxyribose nucleic acid. The next is the DRDO, that is the Defense Research and Development Organization. The next is the DVT, that is the Digital Versatile Disc. Next is the ECG, that is the electrocardiogram. The next is the ELISA test, enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. ये एड्स की डिटेक्शन के लिए होता है टेस्ट. द नेक्स्ट इज द ERDA, दैट इज द एनर्जी रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. The next is the ESA, that is the European Space Agency. Next is the EBM, that is the Electronic Voting Machine. The next Exim Bank, that is the Export Import Bank of India. Next is the FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization. FBI stand for Federal Bureau of Investigation, USA की है. FCI, Food Corporation of India. FERA, Foreign Exchange Regulatory Act. The next is the FFI, Film Federation of India. Next is the FIIT, that is the Foundation of Innovation and Technology Transfer. The next FIR, that is the First Information Report. The next is the GAIL, that is the Gas Authority of India Limited. Next GAVI, that is the Global Alliance for Vaccine and Immunization. Next GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. Next is the GPF, that is the General Provident Fund. Next is the GPS, that is the Global Positioning System. Up next is the GSI, that is the Geological Survey of India. Next HIV, Human Immune Virus. Next HCF, Highest Common Factor. Next HDFC, Housing Development Finance Corporation. The next is the HDTV, that is the High Definition Television. The next HYVS, that is the High Yield Variety Seeds. Next is the IAAI, that is the International Airport Authority of India. Next is the IAC, that is the Indian Airline Corporation. Up next is the IADF, that is the International Agricultural Development Fund. Up next is the IAEA, that is the International Atomic Energy Agency. Next IARI, that is the Indian Agricultural Research Institute. Up next is the IBRD, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, Bird Bank. The next is the ICAR, that is Indian Council of Agricultural Research. Next ICC, that is International Cricket Council. Up next ICICI, Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India Limited. The next is the ICRC, that is the International Committee of the Red Cross. The next is the IDA, that is the International Development Agency. IDD, Iodine Deficiency Disorder. Next IDO, International Defense Organization. IFA, Indian Football Association. IFFI, International Film Festival of India. The next is the IIAS, that is the Indian Institute of Advanced Studies. The next IIT, that is the Indian Institute of Technology. IMA, Indian Military Academy. And the next is the IMF, that is the International Monetary Fund. Next is the INS, Indian Naval Ship. Up next is the Interpol, that is the International Police Organization. The next is the IPC, Indian Penal Code. IRDP, Integrated Rural Development Program. The next is the IRDA, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority. Up next ISRO, that is the Indian Space Research Organization. Next is the IST, that is the Indian Standard Time. Up next ITBP, that is the Indo-Tibet Border Police. The next is the laser, that is the light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Up next is the LIC, Life Insurance Corporation of India. LLB, Bachelor of Law. LLD, Doctor of Law. LLM, Master of Law. LMG, Light Machine Gun, that is the LOC, Line of Control. LOAC, Line of Actual Control. LPG, Liquid Petroleum Gas. The next is the MBA, that is the Master of Business Administration. MBBS, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. MCA, Master of Computer Application. MD, Doctor of Medicine. MLA, Member of Legislative Assembly. The next is the MNC, that is the Multinational Corporation. Up next is the NABARD, that is the National Bank for Agricultural and Rural Development. Next is the NACO, that is the National AIDS Control Organization. Up next NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Up next is the NCV, Narcotics Control Bureau. Up next NCRT, that is the National Council of Education Research and Training. Next is the NDA, that is the National Defense Academy. Up next is the NTPC, that is the National Thermal Power Corporation. Up next NHRC, National Human Rights Commission. NRI, Non-Resident Indian. Next is the PIN, the Postal Index Number. Up next PGI, MR, Postgraduate Institute of Medical Research. PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. PWD, Public Work Department. Radar, Radio Detecting and Ranging. RAW, Research and Analysis Bing. Next is the RDX, that is the Research Development Explosive. Up next is the RBI, Reserve Bank of India. RTO, Regional Transport Officer. Next is the SAARC, South Asian Association of Regional Corporation. Up next is the SAI, that is the Sports Authority of India. Up next is the SARS, that is the Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. Up next SEVI, that is the Security Exchange Board of India. Up next SHAR, that is the Sri Harikota Range. Up next SIDS, Sudden Infant Death Syndrome. The next is the SIDVI, Small Industrial Development Bank of India. Up next SITA, that is the Separation of Immortal Traffic in Women and Girls. The next is the SLB, that is the Satellite Launch Vehicle. Up next is the STD, that is the Subscriber Trunk Dialing. The next is the TTFI, that is the Table Tennis Federation of India. Up next is TRAI, Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. UGC stand for University Grant Commission. UNO, United National Organization. UPSC, Union Public Service Commission. VAT, Value Added Tax. BIP, very important person. VRS, Voluntary Retirement Scheme. WHO, World Health Organization. The next is the WWF, that is the World Wildlife Fund, and the last one is the WTO, that is the World Trade Organization.